And another day, another accessory for SRB 200 and sa ating mga classic bikes, even though kahit hindi classic. So last time I just posted a video regarding the saddlebags for the SRB 200, and on this video I just want to talk about the my tool bag, kumbaga tawagin ko, which is this one. It's also made from leather, and also linalagay ko dyan lahat ng tools ko. Kasi every time na nagra-rides tayo, of course, we need the tools just in case wala tayong madaanan na shops or anything. So, ayun, ay papakita ko sa inyo kung saan ko siya linalagay sa motor. So, as you can see, it's also belt type, magkabilaan. So, you can adjust kung ano yung tightness niya at yung hindi siya maalog. Last time, tinagay ko siya dito, but the problem is nagagasgas yung paint dito sa aking fender. So, ayun. So, that is all that I wanted to share. And also, same sa saddlebags on the last vid. This tool bag is also waterproof. Kaya, no need na mag-worry if umulan siya or mabilad. Yung purpose niya ay yun pa rin. So, ayun. Thank you so much for watching. And abang-abang na lang sa other accessories for SRB 200 and other classic motorcycles. So, thank you so much.